Hi, and welcome to Cooking for Kids. Today we're making some easy pasta salad.
You're just going to bring a pot of water to a boil.
You're going to put the pasta in the boiling water, and then you're just going to let that cook for a few minutes.
Make sure to drain the pasta, and if you're uncomfortable with that, make sure to ask an adult for help.
Now that you've made your pasta and your salad, you're just going to mix it together. Here I have some flat leaf parsley, I have some cucumber, I have some tomato, I have some green olives, and I have some celery. But you can put lots of vegetables, like if you didn't like something, you could definitely not have it, or like you could have cheese, really whatever you wanted. And now you're just going to put that in. And then you're just going to mix that up with the dressing. Since I am doubling the recipe, I'm going to put 1 cup of red wine vinegar. And if you don't have that, you can always put regular vinegar. I'm doing a lot of stuff, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 3 teaspoons of basil. And then 3 teaspoons of oregano. Now you're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. And in the salad, it also had some green onions. And now you're just going to put 1.5 teaspoons of fresh ground pepper. And then you're just going to mix that all up. And you're just going to put that in the fridge for about 2 hours or overnight. Enjoy! Easy pasta salad by Cooking for Kids.